Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker, and I just wanted to talk to you about doing the mastery check for lesson 1 in unit 3. As you know, we are going to be doing a Quizlet self-test like we did before, and I just thought I'd show you how to do that because it's just a tiny bit different. I got some really good feedback about how having multiple lists is kind of a pain, and if I could just put all the lists together. So thank you again for giving me some feedback on that. I agree, so I did that. So in the second slide here of the slide deck that you use to learn for lesson 1, you're going to see this link. It says click this link to practice all 3 lists together to prep for the mastery check. So you're going to click on that link, and not only to practice for the mastery check, but also to do the mastery check. So you're going to see here where we have all of the 125 terms all together in one list. The only thing that I didn't have time for was to link all the pictures, but we don't need pictures. So we're going to go ahead and follow the instructions here on the mastery check. And the criteria for mastery reads as follows. Complete the Quizlet self-test with at least 90% accuracy. And we're going to do 90 questions like I have here, which means you're going to have to get at least 81 of them correct. Okay, you're going to take a screenshot of your final results and upload that screenshot and the picture of this mastery check form that you see here on your screen after I have signed off on it and seen your screen. All right, so it says to open it up, which we have done. We've got this open, and then the next thing says to click the test button. So we're going to go to the test button, and then it will open up the next screen right here. And this one says click the options button in the top right hand corner. So just like you guys did before, we're going to click on this options tab. And then we're going to make this 90 instead of like most of them just revert to 20. So make this 90, and we're only testing you on 90 out of the 125 questions. So it's just going to be any random 90. Please make sure that you follow this very important one right here. 90, matching multiple choice, true, false. So we got the 90, matching multiple choice, true, false. Do not click on this written here. We don't want that. We don't want to have to learn all of the spellings of all of those right now. That's not what's important. We're working on identification and recognition, so that way we can use them in our speech. Make sure that it says standard grading. All right, so we've got the standard grading highlighted right here. And then we also need to make sure that we're answering with German. So we've got German clicked here and not the English. All right, then you click on the button that says create new test, and it magically makes one for you. And I'm just going to monkey mark here really quick. Finish up here, clicking the last answer. It pulls me down, shows me that I've answered everything, but it also says that I need to submit my test. So am I ready? Before I check my answers, I can go back and look. When I'm done though, I'm going to click the submit test part, and then it will give me, oh boy, looks like Frau Walker needs to do a lot more studying. I only got 20 correct. When this green number right here says that I have 81 correct, then you can take a screenshot of this whole screen, upload that, and this mastery check form. You can write down here what your score was. I'll sign off on it, and then you can grab a shot of this and upload both of those pictures to Google Classroom for me. And that will be your evidence for proving that you've mastered that skill. Alrighty, we will see you guys soon, and as we say in German, viel Glück!